Short and simple workout with Bear and Reef. We got 5 moves today, 2 times through, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Warm-ups included. Let's get this thing started. All right, let's warm up, start at the top, work our way down. Just start with your neck, back and forth. That should feel good. To the side. If you're like me, you might be getting some popping, some creaking, some cracking. That's normal in the morning. Let's lubricate those joints. Okay, shoulders. Go forward a few times. Take it back. Get those joints ready for what's to come. Get a little leg movement in there too. Never hurts. Mobility, it's important. We often leave it alone, forget about it. This is all part of health. All right. Reach to the side. Look at the obliques, the ribs a little bit. Keep breathing. There's one thing you gotta remember every time, is keep breathing. All right. Let's circle those hips. Another way. Good mornings here. Okay, it's morning, night, whatever. Breaking the hips, stretch your hamstrings, open a little back. Feels good. All right. Now bend all the way down, round your back, let your head hang loose, and breathe again. And down there, squat like this. Push out a little bit on the thighs, get those stretched out. Round it up. Let's get a little ankle mobility in there. That way. Do some side-to-side movement here, so that's probably a good idea to get some ankles mobilized. Okay, feeling pretty good. Let's get this thing started. All right, let's get to this. First move, deadlift as a row. Begin here in just a few seconds. Choose a weight that's good for you. This is all I got. This is what I'm using. Let's begin. Back up. Break the hips. Roll it up. Keep the knees soft, a little bend in them. Remember, this is not a squat. I'm using the posterior chain. So even though this weight's not that heavy for a deadlift, I feel my hamstrings, feel my glutes, a little bit in the lower back, and of course, squeezing the shoulder blades on the row. One more. Cool. Exercise 2. Going overhead tricep press. Rock them up. Just like that. You can stagger your feet. Keep them underneath you. Whatever feels best. Begin. This guy. These 20-pounders. If it gets too heavy, drop it down to 1. I'm going to finish this one now. Feel the backs of the arms big time. Break. Number 3, do a goblet position side lunge. Switch weights here. got a single 25-pound. Use that for this. So whatever you got. This is DIY, right? We got one weight, use whatever you have. It's going to go right and left. Squeeze a little bit on the goblet. We're going to chest a little bit on that. That's important. Watch your knees. Make sure they're not twerking off to the side or too far to the front. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Glutes, quads, inner thighs, all getting worked. Break. Fourth move. Shoulder press. Shoulder press to narrow press. So up here, bring it in, narrow press it. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Just activating more parts of the shoulder with this. Once again, keep your feet on the ground. Knees are springy, they're not locked out. Don't arch your back, brace your core. 10 seconds. One more narrow. Wow, yeah. Okay. Fifth move. We're going to the floor. Chest fly. With leg raise with core. Just enough time to get in position. Let's do it. Pressing my lower back on the ground. Raising the legs. Just have to feel that. Feel that deep in the core. Let the elbows rest. Just barely whisper on the ground. Final 5 seconds. All right. Break. Let's do it all over again. Back to deadlift with the row. All right, 5 seconds. Ready? Go. So my knees are kind of loose, not really bent, just ever so slightly. Just so I'm not locking them out. Drop it down. Roll the back. Squeeze the back. There you go. All right, second move. Back to triceps. Smart, pick up your weights if you set them down. This one's gonna hurt. 5 seconds. Get in position. Weights up. Begin. "40 seconds doesn't seem like a long time. I'm feeling this one, I'll tell you that. Hope you are too at home. Ten seconds. We got this. Oh, mercy. My form was failing there. That was only 40 seconds. All right. Goblet hold, side lunge. Start left this time. Doesn't really matter. It's good to mix it up. Begin. Keep the weight in the center. Close to your body. Squeeze on a little bit. It's good to incorporate that lateral movement. Usually we're just going forward. Let's work your legs at a different angle. All right, 7 seconds. Here we go. Break. Place that one safely. 2 dumbbells, shoulder press. Back them up. Let's go. Good offer to use here. Especially that original artwork there. Shout out to Muscular Massacre for that. Oh man, a narrow press. Form failure. Oh. One more. Oh, use my legs to get it up there. Damn. Okay, final move. Chest fly. Here we go. Up. Let's go. Final move. 10 minutes. I'm really feeling it. Remember to keep those dumbbells over your chest, not your face. Okay, final 10 seconds. All right, that is it. Get the weights down safely. Selves up safely. We did it. Another 10-minute workout with Bear and Reef. See you next time.